Hello. So I work in the Research and Writing Center in the library, and a lot of students come in asking for help with research. And a tool that we always direct them to is Refworks, which is a citation manager, and it also keeps track of all of the research you're doing. You can save all your sources here, so your research is more organized and you can get to it faster. I always like to show the students the cool features about Refworks, and one such tool you can use helps you to annotate the PDF, so you can just have all your research in one place and you can comment on it, and when you go back to write your paper it's quite easy to know what to say. So we're going to go to my folders over here and we're going to find a PDF I already downloaded about Billy Budd, and we're going to hit read. So here's the PDF I want to annotate. If I just click this little A at the top, I can highlight selected text. So I really like this first line. It's a beautiful line. I want to remember it for later. And all of these annotations I make will be saved, and next time I open the document I can find them again and say I read some more and I want to make a comment. I just hit this little comment box and then click the part I want to comment. And I can say, I really like this part. It reminds me of... and finally, the last thing I want to show is just this little document note button. So after you read the whole document, instead of having to reread it later after you've forgotten what it says, you can just make a note here and say, this article was about, and I will use it for. And then you save that, and when you come back and look at the research, the article, it's a lot easier to do your research paper. Thank you.